Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file to a Word document. So at the moment I've got Word opened up, and here I've just got an example of a PDF. Just to show you it's an actual PDF open up for you. It's just a random sample PDF I pulled off online. Okay, double page, so I don't need to have it open at the moment to make sure it's closed down. So what you're going to do is you're going to drag the PDF file into Word. It'll then come up with this message here, basically telling you that Word is now going to convert that PDF file to an editable Word document. You're just going to click OK. And then it's going to be protected view, so you just make sure to click enable editing. That just means you can type in it, you can edit things the way you want them to be, and you click OK. And there you have it. There is your PDF file in a Word document. It won't all be the same. There might be some inconsistencies, but you're able to change that very easily now that it is converted. There you have it. Very easy to do. See you next time.